Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I just realized I'm wearing the same jacket 2 Mondays in a row, but such is life. Hope everybody's a great week so far. I kind of want to talk a little bit about title policies this week, and not specifically title policies, because frankly, there's too much to cover in the whole gamut of what title policies are. But we're going to focus on just one thing this week, and maybe in the future we'll talk about some other issues. But this week we're going to talk about endorsements to the title policy, what they are, why you should get them, what ones do you want, that kind of thing. So to start, I think we need to talk about what a title insurance is in general. Title insurance is basically insurance that protects you from any potential defects in the title and ownership of your property. So you purchase the property and somebody comes after you've purchased it, and somebody tries to sue you for claiming an ownership right in the property of some kind. There's lots of different ownership rights that a person can claim. The title, if it's covered by the title insurance policy, then the title company will have to defend you in that and potentially indemnify you or cover your damages from the defect in title. Now, it's important to know that while title insurance is vitally important, it doesn't cover everything. There's big gaps in coverage. And if you're in Texas here, specifically, you can look at the Schedule B on your title commitment, which comes before you close, and it'll list a whole bunch of things that aren't covered by the policy, the exceptions to the policy. And so because of that, you need to do a couple things. One is you either need to hire somebody or do yourself, kind of negotiate some of those exceptions. And in addition to that, you need to probably buy endorsements. And what are endorsements? What endorsements are they are additional coverage you can purchase that kind of fill in the gaps to that policy. And in Texas, there's a lot of endorsements. They're all set and prescribed what the endorsements are, but there's a lot of them. And so which ones do you want to buy to provide additional coverage? It's really dependent on the property you have, the purchase you're making, and what kind of coverage you need. I can't really, I can tell you that there's a lot of endorsements. You should definitely get some of them. Which one should you get? You really need to it's a case-specific thing. I will say there's a few that are pretty common in Texas. T19.1, which it covers you for any potential losses as a result of mineral encroachments and restrictions on the property that were unknown at the time. T23 is access, guarantees that you have access to a specific road that you cite. T25 is contiguity, which means that if you have more than one parcel on the property, then the two properties are contiguous to each other. And if they're not, then they will insure you for any damage that is covered as a result of that. And those are some of the sort of more common endorsements. But again, there are so many endorsements in Texas, and you need to really review it on a case-by-case basis about which ones you need to buy. But they are important. Endorsements are important. Title coverage is vital. You should not buy any property anywhere without a title insurance policy. And when you buy that policy, you're probably going to want to buy some endorsements. Again, title insurance can be difficult. The endorsements are difficult. You're probably best off hiring an attorney who's familiar with this. Obviously, certainly us at Bukowski Law Firm are familiar. We're happy to work with you. If you like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for our blog, and we will talk to you next week. Thanks.